How to fix Instagram login error. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, if you are facing that problem, you need to make sure your application is updated. So head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, simply type in Instagram. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Here also you have to search for Instagram. Tap onto your apps, tap storage and then clear the cache. Once done, come back onto app info page, tap force stop, then OK. Once you do all that, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then open up your Chrome browser. At the top search bar, type in Instagram login and get logged into your account via a web browser. Once you do so, this shall fix your problem. Now, if you're having a problem with your app itself, you need to uninstall Instagram and reinstall again. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.